If you see some flakes flying, mind your business, okay? Don't say nothing about them. Just act like you don't see. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to It's Amazing. I'm seeing this beautiful chocolate face. You already know what you need to do. You need to make the red button gray and subscribe to my channel and get these hair tips, these fashion tips, and other things. You can follow me on social media accounts to be listed down below, link just for you. Like, all you gotta do, go down there, click the links, and put heart eyes on all my bomb pictures. So we post some bomb pictures. After you're done doing all that, give this video a thumbs up, of course, if you found it helpful or, you know, entertaining and whatnot. And yeah, that's all I got. So let's just get right into this video. Okay, so I would first like to apologize for my absence. Like, y'all ain't seen me since last year. Happy New Year's, happy Black History Month. Apologizing for the video format. Like, I know she's supposed to be wider, like everything, but I'm on a tight schedule and I need to get this done for Instagram and for YouTube, and I'm so sorry, but I'm sorry. Okay. Valentine's Day is tomorrow. Happy Valentine's Day, you guys. Say it in the comments below. Don't be rude. But I want to give you guys a quick and easy, like sleek and fancy Valentine's Day look that you can do on old hair. I've had this style in for like weeks and stuff, so my hair is so old. I'm gonna take it down for y'all if I can get this clip out my head, and we're gonna, you know, redo the whole thing. I'm gonna show you how I do it, how you can do it at home if you're like me and you have not gotten a Valentine's Day style for your hair. Let's just get right into this video so I can do my hair. If you see some flakes flying, mind your business, okay? Don't say nothing about it. Just act like you don't see. Like I was saying, the first thing I like to do when I go in with old hair, just to make it easier for myself, is to soften. And I am going to go in with Aquafina. I have everything that I use linked down below if you guys want to look, like, purchase or whatever. But this is a Framer bottle. Love it. And it gives like a good supply. Oh yeah, I got on white. The way this top set up with the most thickest material, and baby, you're gonna see them water droplets, and I don't need that in my video. I have the water. This is warm water, by the way, and I'm just gonna spray that on my hair. Not too much that you like get it drenched, but just enough to, like, you know, start the process of moisture. And we're going to use a leave-in. I'm using the TGIN Miracle Repair Protective Leave-In just to soften the hair, to get the hair ready to be worked with. I do want her to play nice, so I'm gonna give her something to soften her. I will say, before you get to mixing and matching like products and stuff, please do a test your arm, thigh, whichever area you want to do it in, to make sure the products you're using are compatible and won't cause any more flakes or buildup or anything. You sitting down in front of your boo for Valentine's Day and you got the, you know, flakies. Okay, so now we are going to start separating the hair. Obviously this is gonna be a middle part, like you can tell, whatever, but I'm gonna pretend part my hair in the middle just to give you guys a vision. I better make this crooked, hold on. The first two sections are gonna be for your bangs, I guess you can call them. I'm gonna get these out of the way. Next, we're going to part off the back of our hair because my hair is very thick and I don't have a jumbo clip. It's a little bit, a portion. I'm just gonna take it, you know, doesn't have to be clean or anything for the top. And get the, you know. And now I'm gonna take that section as well and clip it, how it looks in the back. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with some more leave-in, you know, on the base of my nape and everything. So I'm gonna go in with this gel. And I would recommend more water-based gels like this one, or Eco Styler, or Wetline. Again, you can resist flakiness, because boo, we're not trying to flake up on it. We're not trying to be the Parmesan cheese on days spaghetti, babes. We're not. Get our clip. I hope you guys can see this. We're gonna get the hair like this, and then we're gonna twirl it around like that. Grab our clip and just put that in the base of the thing we just made. We're gonna work on this mid piece right here. do is just I put leave-in on that section again. Outside pieces, I'm gonna get this and I'm gonna separate a little bit just to have like some flyaways, so they can, you know, bring the elegance and stuff into the style and keep it cute, keep it classy. And probably one like coming towards my face. And if this is just optional, you don't have to do this. I'm doing this because I know I like accent pieces, so I'm gonna have those. I'm gonna take this section and I'm gonna twirl it, ooh, like away from my face. Now that I'm taking it away from my face, I'm gonna curl it into my face, like into my head, into the middle. You see that? Taking it out from there, bringing it in. Take a trusty bobby pin, and we're just gonna pin her down, boo. Okay. Now we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. From the face, twist, 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 then bring it into the hair. And then we're gonna pin it. Now, oh, what the? Did y'all know that my shirt came down? And y'all ain't even tell me. So I just been walking around my shirt down this whole time. Great. Okay, so y'all see these pieces up here. I mean, you could define that and like have it curly coming down, but I'm going to try to like mold it into something. Do what your heart desires, but I like to do like a circular shape. And pin that. Okay, now for these two pieces, I'm gonna go in with my foam. The reason why I'm not going in with more leave-in is because I want this to dry quickly. Because I know y'all like gonna do this 30 minutes before it's time to go. So I just want to give y'all, you know, quick option on the hair. Now we're gonna take our gel again, and I'm just going to dip my brush in because I don't like getting gel in my hands. It feels weird. What I do is I put the gel on the hair first, and then I go in with something with like bristles to like really work the product in. So this is basically just putting it on, like putting the gel on. And now I'm gonna put the gel in with like bristles. And they just glide so much better when you do it that way, in my opinion. Okay, so now I got it like brushed down. I'm gonna take the two things and put them to the back of my head. So my rubber band. And I am going to undo the clip and just put the hair that was in there. Just clip it back. Now I'm gonna take my bristle brush, clean everything up. I know it's not looking sleek, but I'm gonna go back and finish that off camera because it's so hard to actually record and do. But I'm gonna take my edge strips by Kiss. Okay, I didn't do what I wanted to do. That boy here, just put it on the thing, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and now before I take off this, I'm going to do my little flyaways that I have. I'm gonna style them, and I usually go in with water, but again, I want this to dry like kind of fast before I even close out this video. So I'm gonna be using foam just to ensure that my hair, you know, that she act right. And smoothing, you guys, smoothing to get that definition, very important. Of course, I'm gonna go in with a gel because the foam isn't really enough goal, because you know you want to do this like 10 minutes before you're gonna go to eat. So I would honestly recommend you slick your hair down first and then do the other steps, to be quite honest. I don't know why I didn't do it that way. Oh, this is gonna make me mad. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, Kayla, don't do it. Girl, I almost snatched my hair out because I'm trying to hurry. Stop. Okay, can I, hold on. Play with me, and you see I'm trying to put my people on to this hairstyle. You know what I'm saying, you know? Next, I'm gonna go in with the same gel that I used to slick my hair down. And I'm gonna go in and just run the gel along it. Frame my face, and yeah. Okay, so I've let this sit as long as I can. I'm gonna have to cut her off and take her down. Hopefully I don't be cutting my hair when I do this. I don't really snip, I just glide it. And I just break it. To it. Then take it off. And before I hype myself up, I'm gonna see if this is actually sleek. Okay, so I am back. My hair is dry, like little curlies, and like, can we get into it? Can we get into it? Like, did I do not do that? Did I or did I not give you 15-minute style that can have you out the door and ready to hit, you know, whatever streets you're going on. And I did want to note that I did change the top. Like, I can't do it while I'm showing you guys, I can't see myself, but all I did was I just changed how I had it folded basically and just split it some more. That's all I did. These are my final results. Like, it looks so cute. I feel so elegant, so poised, so womanish, and like I can get out the door without washing my hair, even though I need to, you know. This is definitely Lazy Natural approved, and yeah, I hope it helps. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the hairstyle, obviously. If you would like to see more of moi, you can follow my social media accounts, will be listed down below, link in the description just for you. And if you see the red button, you can make it great and subscribe to my channel. Like, I know you're not gonna just steal this hairstyle, rock it for Valentine's Day, and then not follow me. Not very Black History Month-ish of you. But yeah, comment below, do you like the style? Would you wear this Valentine's Day? Do you approve the style? Like, did I do that? Did I snap? Did I do a lazy snap? I think I did. So let me know in the comments section below your thoughts. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Valentine's Day. That was so ugly. I'm sorry. Bye.